Looking to earn $100 or more a day? I've got 7 of the best side hustles that can help you do just that. From quick gigs to scalable businesses, these side hustles are designed to generate serious income. Whether you're saving for something special or just need extra cash, these ideas will help you reach your goals fast. And don't miss our bonus tip at the end for maximizing your daily earnings. First up, freelance writing, a flexible side hustle that can easily bring in $100 a day. Freelance writing is perfect for those who enjoy writing and want to earn money on their own terms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger connect you with clients who need content. With enough experience and the right clients, you can easily make $100 or more per day by writing blog posts, articles, or website copy. Help businesses grow online and earn $100+ a day as a social media manager. Social media management is in high demand, and businesses are willing to pay for it. As a social media manager, you'll create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers to help businesses grow their online presence. With the right clients, you can easily earn $100 or more per day managing social media accounts. Turn your academic strengths into cash with online tutoring. Online tutoring is a flexible and rewarding side hustle that can easily bring in $100 a day. Platforms like Tutor.com and Wyzant allow you to teach students in subjects you excel in, like math, science, or languages. With the right clients, you can set your rates to earn $100 or more per day. Run an online store without holding inventory and make $100+ a day with dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without managing inventory. You create an online store, list products from suppliers, and when a customer buys something, the supplier ships it directly to them. With a well-marketed niche store, it's possible to generate significant revenue and hit your $100+ per day goal. Turn your design skills into cash by offering graphic design services. Graphic design is in high demand, especially for businesses looking to create logos, social media content, and marketing materials. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients who need design work. If you're skilled in software like Photoshop or Illustrator, this can be a lucrative side hustle, easily earning you $100+ per day. Promote products you love and earn commissions with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs through platforms like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction. Promote products on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and earn money as your audience makes purchases. With the right strategy, you can easily earn $100+ per day. Turn your passion for photography into a daily income stream. Photography can be a flexible and creative way to earn $100 or more per day. Whether you're offering services for events, portraits, or selling stock photos online, there's a strong demand for quality photography. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your photos online, while offering services for local events can bring in consistent income. Here's a strategy to boost your daily earnings. Combine affiliate marketing with freelance writing. By writing content that promotes affiliate products, you can earn commissions on top of your writing fees. It's a powerful way to double your income and create multiple streams of revenue. And there you have it, 7 of the best side hustles to make $100+ per day. Whether you're looking for something quick or a scalable business idea, these strategies can help you reach your financial goals fast. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money in 2024. We've got more great content on the way, including insider secrets to building a full-time income from side hustles. See you in the next video.